Hey, it's Rob from Kickass. Today we have the... You done? We got a Chevy Traverse coming in today. It's got a power steering wind, so we're gonna slap a power steering pump on that. I may have thought it was easier to get to. I looked up the book time. The book time was like 6 something hours, and I was like, there's no way, it's right there. I could see it in the wheel well, and I was even like told the customer, I was like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna knock it down half the labor, because I don't think it's gonna take that long. Yeah, well. So we are at the front right wheel well once again. I'm going to get this out of the way. Well, I don't think I really need to get it out of the way. That's where we're going. That's where we're hunting to. That guy right there. Rev is joining the action. Then he'll smother you on the ground. What are y'all doing? I'm trying to work. I got a Chachi. A Chachi. Her name's Bugatti. I call her Chachi because then Rev. Okay. Disperse. I need to fix this car. Enough dog loving for now. I gotta take off part of the exhaust to get the power steering pump out. So let's see if I can. There's a back bolt. This is one of those instances where this hose clamp plier comes into quite handy dandy if I can get it to frick in there. That's the problem. Sometimes you can't orchestrate your phalanges to get in there to put it on. Maybe I can come in from the back. Yeah, that's what she said. Come in from the back. Come in from the back, boy. Get the flip chop doobly boob snoodle on there. Right there. You're right there. Got any closer to bite you. You're on it. You are on it, mister. And we've got it. I'm gonna pull it down and take it off and get a different clamp just so I can get it off. Mother son of a... There we go. We're almost down. Go for the nips. Where are the nippix? Mr. Nippix. Paging Mr. Nippix. Nip it in the buttocks with the nippix. There we go, nippix. Saves the day. Yes. Me, nippix. Very good. Stop going around. Alright, let's get this thing off. Start this hose. Alright, so that hose should slide right off. Alright, so we have loosened the exhaust system here, like this. So we took the front off up there. We took the back. And I think once we get it out, I should be able to push this aside and finagle it out, because this kind of comes down here. Yeah, I should be able to squeeze by there. For the meantime, we have to get the one hard line up there. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. My wrench is kind of on it. So I gotta get that broken loose, or at least loose, so when I pull the motor off, then I can yank the line off. So that's the battle we're doing right now. Sometimes bolts are a little longer, farther away than you need, so you need a big old extension. Oh, look at the size of your extension. I know. Alright, so I've got to go 95 yards to get to this bolt. It's way up that way. Let's see if I can get it on there from here. There she is, right there. Alright, where's my big ratchet? Oh, where's my big ratchet at? Ow, fart. Thick Nugan. Dad, where's my ratchet? Oh, I had it on my tools. Rip's sleeping on the job. Okay. Loose speed on there and get that sucker out. Alright. And she's out. Hey Siri, pause the music. Oh my god, it's an event. This big ass thing's gotta get out of my way. Okay. I kind of laughed at the time on all data, and I'm really hurting myself now. This is not a mother. Oh my god, I've taken more off to get it out. It looks really easy to get to until you try to get it. It's just right there. Why don't you come over? This asshole line is in the way. That thing kicked my ass. Holy sh**. Like, holy sh**. That's why I was 6 out, whatever the hell it was. Frickin' back to our regular program. Alright, we got this crazy ass thing out. Our new guy, old guy, looking good, looking good. Okay, alright. Put it in if it's easier to put it in and take it out. Sure it is. Of course I say that, opening my mouth. Okay. Oh my god, what the f***? Get up out of the way, you bastard. There it goes. Sheesh. That's some silly shit. That's extra silly shit. That is beyond the silliest shit I've ever seen. It's super silly. that, jeez. I mean, when I saw it first, I was like, that doesn't look like it's that bad to get out. I eat those words quite nicely. Words have been eaten. I had a feast with them. That, I'm sweating. There's AC in here. That was an event. Woo! Yeah, okay. Sheesh. We're not done yet. We gotta get the lines on. On my way now. Come on, mofo. Flashlight. I think this thing's dying. Yeah. On its way out. 2 flashlights I've killed today. Like, what the hell? Can we make a flashlight that lasts more than like an hour? The hell?
This is how you make me feel. This is how you make me feel. All good, all great, sunshine all day. This is how you make me feel. And I feel good.
Siri! Hey Siri! Hey Siri! Pause the music! I am stuck in a car. Okay. So my arm is up in there. And my shirt is stuck on the caliper. Can't get this. What has it got? Oh. Okay. Ow. Cars will fight you and sometimes grab onto you. They don't want to let go. That sucks. Let's put a hole in the shirt? Certainly stretched it. Alright, yeah. That's the adventures of my day so far. This car is whooping my ass. Got the belt back on. Got the hose clamp on. All the lines are on. Pump is tight. Now I'm putting all the 14 things that I had to take apart to get to it, or actually to get it off. There's only 2 bolts. It's really easy to get off in the 2 lines, but to get it out was it's a bit of an ordeal. Alright, so let me not bore you with this. We'll time lapse this. We'll speed it up a bit. Let's go ahead and cue the speed up.
I woke up today with a smile on my face. Ain't gotta worry.
Alright, so we're taking that exhaust off. It's quite rusty. And these bolts broke off. So what we're going to do is these are like pressed in studs. So they press these into the flanges at the factory or whatever when they make these things. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the back off. I'm going to grind off this back part of the stud, and then I'm going to hit it with an air hammer and knock them out. So.
This is how you make me feel. This is how you make me feel. All good, all great, sunshine all day.
Alright, let me see if I can do this quick. The batteries keep dying. GoPro's not happy with it anymore. Alright, so we knocked that thing out. Give it a good quick wash and vac. Looking good. GoPro's acting all funky, so I missed some of the stuff. So I got a car wash. It got a little vacuum inside, did floor mats, all that. Knocked that out. Door lock's working great. Not too shabby, baby. Alright, I'm Rob. It's Kickass Garage. Thank you all for stopping by.